Hey, it's your girl Lakita coming back with another makeup tutorial. So if you want to know how I achieved this look, just continue to watch. So as always, I'm going to go ahead and start priming my eyelid with some concealer and blending it out with my fingertips. I have part of my other eye already completed, but it's not all the way completed, just partially. So I am priming with Girl Pro Conceal in the medium beige. So you just blend it out. Well, I blend it out with my finger, and then I set it with translucent powder, which I, for some reason, didn't put in the video. But anyway, so I am using a transition color from the Morphe 35C palette. Any tan, brown would do just fine. You just keep building up until you get it to the vibrancy that you like. So again, a lot of these colors, of course, a lot of everything that I do is with the Morphe 35C palette. I have other palettes, but I just love this palette. Oh my gosh, I love this palette. But anyway, I am blending that on, like I said, in the upper part of my crease, and then I'm just making the V shape with it, as you can see. So what I'm going to do at this point, I'm going to go ahead and carve out now my lid so I can start putting down the vibrant yellow that I want to put down. So this, I didn't want to make it too precise because I'm not a precise type of chick, you know. I'm just not that type of chick. So, yes. So I'm just going to pack this on until I get it to the vibrancy that I want it, until I get it to in the placement that I would like to have it. So go ahead, take your time, girl. Take your time, okay? Now I went back over to the other eye because I wanted to make it a little bit more vibrant than what it was. So yeah, but anyway, moving on to my eyebrows, because I want to go ahead and start shaping my eyebrows. So of course, we all know I use Poise Cosmetics for the majority of my eyebrows. I have other products that I use, like the Kiss eyebrow pencils and sometimes Anastasia, Beverly Hills, but I use that on an everyday basis. But for my videos, for some reason I like it to pop a little bit more, and Poise does that for me. So that's what you see me doing right now. Poise Trio palette, I have that in the color Brunette is the name of the palette, so you can definitely cop this on poisecosmetics.com. And yeah, I think it's like, I paid like $30 for the palette, so it's not that expensive. But girl, hold on, let me tell you, I needed to do my brows, okay? I hadn't done my brows in a month. So now I'm going back in to that Morphe 35C palette, and I'm picking up some of the darker browns, and I'm carving out, or adding more depth basically to my outer V. So that's what I'm doing, honey. And I just keep doing it until I blend it. Then I add a little bit of gray and black, and then I blend it out some more. So yeah, that's what you see me doing here. It's a lot of blending, blending, okay? Now let me start getting this skin together. For my dark circles, I always use the NYX color corrector in the color orange to neutralize the darkness. So I'm using that in a couple of areas. I'm having some skin issues right now, of course. You know, my skin don't do anything until it's time for me to record, and then it's like, hey boo, I'm here. So lately I've been using my black Opal foundation sticks. I have a lot of them now, so I'm just trying to, you know, really use them. It's what I use on, you know, my clients and things like that. So I normally don't use them in my videos, but I've decided to go ahead and do so because I love the way that they turn out, like the finish on them. So what I do is once I, you know, put a couple of, you know, strokes on my face, then I get a foundation brush and then I just blend it out, blend it out, blend it out. Once I get it into place, I take a damp beauty blender and then I just make it airbrush, you know, just keep on patting your skin until you get it to that flawless look. And I'm in Florida, so I don't like a lot of full coverage on a daily basis. Like when I did my makeup on this video, I was getting ready to go out somewhere outside in the heat, okay, in the sun, in the humidity, and I like medium coverage when that happens because, yeah, girl, it's really hot here in Tampa. It be hot in Tampa, which I'm a little bit outside of Tampa. I'm in like Riverview, Gibsonton area, if you know the area. But if not, girl, it's right outside of Tampa, okay? You can call it Tampa if you want to. Now, as far as my under eye, I am using the LA Girl Pro Conceal in medium beige. I do mix mine with the nude LA Girl Pro Conceal. That way I can, you know, have a little bit highlight there as well. So here is where I'm using the damp beauty blender and I'm just going over the concealer pieces. And y'all know, you already know I have to sing and dance. Okay, that's just a part of it, you know. I just have to sing and dance. Plus, you know, when you start putting that makeup on, girl, don't you be feeling yourself. You be like, I wish a bitch would. Stuff over here, okay? I wish they might. I always speed this part up because you already know I'm just doing a lot of blending, 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 tapping, 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 blending, blending, blending. And it never fails when I get to the part of my foundation and start feeling myself, my jam be coming on. And when I say my jam, every song is my jam, by the way. Every song. I be like, oh girl, that's my jam. What's the name of the song? I don't know. I don't even hardly much know. Now that is the Tyra Beauty Contour in a Stick in the color Deep. I used to be a beauty tainer a while back when, you know, she had beauty tainers, but she don't have them no more. So I still have some of the products. So I use it in my videos. Plus, it's a good product, guys. It really is. You should go check out her website, tyrabeauty.com. But she does have some really good products. I'm just setting my face with, you know, translucent powder. And as always, guys, I have to use my Ruby Kisses Blacker Than Black liquid liner. Now, let me tell you, I have NYX gel liner and I have Inglot. Oh, I'm gonna do a video on Inglot with my Inglot products, but it's something about this Ruby Kisses though. It's something about them. Something about them. I get it from a hair store over in like the Brandon area. And as soon as I walk in, they already know. Like the guy, he was like, oh, it's right there. We have some new ones in. I'm like, thank you. You already know, sir. Thank you. And my youngest son, he always want to talk to me when I'm doing my liquid liner. I'd be like, you know what? This is really not a good time to be asking about some cookies, okay? This is really not a good time. That's what I say in my head. You know, I don't say it to him. But I be thinking, and I be like, this is not a good time. Because I am not going to get up and get you some cookies right now. So again, this is another one of Tyra Beauty products. It's her dual Khol pencil. So on one side, it's a neutral color, and then on the other side, it's the black eyeliner. So I'm using this, of course, the black eyeliner side, and I'm lining my waterline. And then underneath, I am using, I believe that was one of Urban Decay's products. I'll have to put it into the description. Whatever I don't remember while I'm doing this voiceover, I will put in the description below, so check that out. But I believe this was one of Urban Decay's products in the turquoise. It's summertime, y'all. I'm trying to give y'all some summertime feel, okay? Well, it's not summer yet. I mean, we're not in June, but you might as well in Florida here right now. It's summer. To me, it is. It's hot. Shoot. So I always go over my contoured areas with the NYX Pro Contour Palette. And I don't discriminate. I use all of the brown colors. There's not one over the other. I use them all. Is it a condition when you can't wink your other eye, but you can wink only one eye? I don't know, girl. I don't know. I just wanted to know if anybody knew if that was a condition. I can only wink that one eye. I be trying the other one and just be like, I just go ahead and blink both of them. Because I'm just like, you know what? At this point, it's a blink. It's not a wink. I believe this is via Bombshell lip gloss in secret, but this is the finished look, honey. That wig, again, I don't remember where I got it from. I'm quite sure I got it from somewhere online. I don't know. I have to look at the packaging again. But yes, so if you did like this look, do not forget to give me a thumbs up, a like on this video, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel for all my other videos. I do also business videos and motivational videos and skincare. So don't forget to check out the playlist for those. And until next time, always aspire to inspire someone every single day. Have a great day. Bye, my beauties.